Welcome. In a world where business knows no gender, women are thriving as entrepreneurs. They are thriving alongside their male counterparts. This is not to say that women are better than men. It merely implies what they are doing is vastly different. Healthcare, fashion, design, education and social work are areas where women mostly focus their attentions. One of the biggest questions which often arises here is, what fuels women's passion for building businesses? Female entrepreneurs value control over their professional destiny and the opportunity to make an impact. The desire for control is not a bad thing. This form of control merely works to be a positive way, inspiring women to think differently. For example, if a woman with a family wants to launch a new company, she knows this has a strong impact on another aspect of her life: work-life balance. Women in business are carving out their own futures and leaving an indelible mark on the entrepreneurial landscape. However, many good business women enjoy the challenges they face. They do not blame male counterparts for mistakes but strive in overcoming them. This makes them strong, wiser, and above all, they inherit good skills. They become more assertive, action-minded, risk-taking, and problem-solving people. And all for the betterment of the industry they choose to work in. If you like our content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to this channel.